When I was a kid and I used to watch movies, I would do this thing after where I would put on my headphones, whether through a CD player or an MP3, listen to music and imagine myself that I was part of those movies in a galaxy far, far away with lightsabers, riding from a T-Rex or riding on a hoverboard with Marty McFly. That feeling was so special to me and so amazing that I really wanted to one day be able to do the same. Hey, what's up guys, Chris Cohen here and welcome to Guerrilla Filmmaker. It is essentially my brand and you can check the website down in the description below. It has some really cool stuff from the Filmmaker Pass, merch, as well as the digital assets. Now, I've been doing this for about 10 years now. It wasn't always full-time, but it has been almost a decade. And through all of this amazing journey, I have gotten so many requests about how do I bring my projects to life and how do I create that special look to them and what is the secret ingredient basically. And there's no simple answer to that, but I said to myself, it's about damn time I create my own filmmaker program, Guerrilla Filmmaker, and teach you guys how to accomplish the same thing. Bring your projects to life, learn about filmmaking in the most efficient and enjoyable way, and bypass industry walls, because unfortunately, let's face it, this industry is a highly creative one, and within it, a lot of barriers exist. And what the essence of being a guerrilla filmmaker is, it's bypassing silly limitations that obstruct creativity and learn about my approach to filmmaking, as well as my special techniques or hacks of the system or whatever you want to call it, to bring my ideas to the screen for the audience to experience basically. There's gonna be a ton of free content in Guerrilla Filmmaker episodes on YouTube. But if you want to unlock the full number of my professional courses, then check out the Filmmaker Pass. In a world where you go to university or college and a singular course costs $1,000, £1,000, wherever the currency is, through the Guerrilla Filmmaker program, I'm gonna teach you exactly what you need to know to take your camera in your hands and create. So if that's what you want, then check the link in the description. Before we go, let me guys know what you think of this set, because I personally find it really sick. It has that kind of futuristic bunker, kind of Black Ops vibe to it, which I'm a big fan of. Okay guys, so that's been it. I hope you look forward to Guerrilla Filmmaker episodes. I'll catch you on the next one.